Hi guys, hello friends. I am all of your lovable Jeet means Dr. Jeetendra Gawali. One more time here to present you very beautiful and very essential, needful and useful video for all of you. If you are not subscribed my channel, if you are not like my channel, then please it's my request to all of you that please there is a channel of Dr. Jeetendra Gawali to please subscribe and like my channels and don't forget to touch the bell icons, then and then only you can got the notifications of my upcoming beautiful videos. One more video is coming from my side. The title of today's video is the benefits, particularly 12 benefits of walking, jogging and running. It's very essential and must thing for all of us to walk, run or jog in our life. So one more beautiful question for all of you from my side is to when last time you walked in your life, which was that time? So I think it's very difficult to find out or to give the answer of that question, that last time when you walked or run or jog in your life. Nowadays it's very difficult to say. Each and every person is having his own bike and he want his bike for each and every work. So nobody can tell that when I was walked or jog or run. Then question, one more question is that how many meters or kilometers you run. It's very difficult question again, because nowadays everybody wants bike and there it might be electric bikes or whatever maybe, but nobody is going to walk nowadays. And if you want to know the reasons behind that why I am not talking, why I am not walking or why I am not running, then there are 100 reasons to show or to tell about that. I don't have time. In early morning it's very difficult, and in evening there is very tight schedule for me to walk or run. I'm very busy person. I am very busy person. So there are so many reasons to tell or to talk, and most of the times we tell the reasons or avoid the give answer to that particular question why you are not exercising or why you are not walking or running. But remember one thing, that if you want to become healthy, then there is only one option for you, that is walking, jogging or running. Then it might be most of the times the work or the study or our duty, so many reasons are there. We they always keep away us to walk or run or jog. And particularly the females or the house working women's, housewives we can say, or whoever maybe working women are also always used to say that they don't have time. Their husband, their children's, their father-in-law, mother-in-law and so many responsibilities, study of their children's, and all of these, and they don't have time to walk or run. But my question is for all of them, that when you would have to time for yourself, if you never keep time for yourself, then everybody will excuse you, but time is the only thing we it never excuse anybody. There are so many benefits of walking or running or jogging. So many benefits are there, but I have got only 12 benefits from all of that benefits. And first and most important benefit of walking is if you want to keep away the cardiac disorders or your heart related problems, then walking is the best exercise for you, because it helps to maintain the cardiac pressures, blood pressures. Nowadays we call it heart hypertension. Then the proper pumping or the blood flow, the walking or jogging, it always helps to maintain the blood flow or the pressures of our heart. So we should always walk, jog or run. It helps to keep our heart very healthy and calm, cool and quiet. The second most important benefit of walking is a cholesterol maintenance program, we can say it. There is a beneficial cholesterols and non-beneficial cholesterols. Both of them get maintained with the help of walking. So be walk, jog or run, Then nowadays we always hear that there are blockage, 2 blockage, 3 blockage, and percentage wise also we discuss over the blockage. If you want to avoid the cardiac or heart blockage, then walking is the best exercise for you. The fourth most important benefit of walking is to level maintenance of insulin and the glucose utilization. If even if you are having the history of diabetes mellitus in your family, you can prolong that genetical influences of diabetes mellitus on you for up to 10 years or more than. If you do consistently walking or exercises, then you may not suffer or get effect from the diabetes mellitus, even though there is a history of family history of diabetes mellitus. And it helps to utilize glucose properly and helps to maintain the level of insulin. And those are having already diabetes mellitus, they are also get benefits of walking, jogging or running in their life. The fifth most essential and most important benefit of walking, as those persons are having overweighted, if they want to reduce their weights, then walking is the best exercise for all of them. If they keep maintain or keep control on their eating, particularly sugar or sweet, and if they want to reduce their weight, then exercise is the best way of to reduce the weights. The sixth more important, nowadays we all are having stress. Because of this fast life, we all are always most of the times we get suffer, or we always suffer from the stress. If you want to maintain our stress levels or to want to reduce the stress levels, and then walking is the only way of to control over all the stress levels, because it always helps to secrete the happy hormones, and it reduces the stress hormones, and it directly helps us to be relaxed and feel very stress free. The seventh most important thing and benefit of walking or jogging or running is most of the times we all get suffered from most of the diseases because of indigestion. If those are having complaint of acidity, piles, fissures and fissulas, all those are need of to walk, to run, then only they can be overcome from this type of diseases. Because if once we start walking, you all know that the length of our intestines is up to 25 meters. When we walk, then that intestines get move rhythmically, and it directly helps to maintain the peristaltic movements. Because of that peristaltic movements, proper movements, which always helps to improve our indigestion, acidity, nausea and vomitings. Most of the times we say that those are having no abdominal discomforts, they are become very happy and relaxed feel with their minds, and those are having relaxed minds are having relax in their own life. Eighth most important benefits of our walking, on which topic we are discussing, the little ones or the elder ones, those having need of calcium depositions and wants to make their bones strong, they need only to walk. But ninth is most important benefits of walking is those persons or patients are suffered from rheumatic joint pains, are need of to walk. With the help of walking, they get reduce their pains and the degenerative changes in their bones. But one precaution has to be taken there. Those are having already the pain in their joint, particularly knee joints, they can use the kneecaps and go through the straight roads. The 10th most important benefit of walking is when we walked or when we run or when we jog, we remove all bad things from our mind, and the positivity come in our mind, and that positivity leads to pleasureness, happiness. So we become very happy with the help of walking. And 11th most important benefit of walking is just because of walking we helps to improve our immune system, that leads to avoid most of the diseases and disorders, particularly those persons are having allergic disorders like asthma and the respiratory problems, that all persons, when they get started walking, running or jogging, they never get suffer or exacerbation of the acute attacks. It might be avoided with the help of walking. So it's very essential and must for all of them. Those are having nasal allergies of the respiratory tracts, always they suffered from respiratory tract infections. Acute attacks of all respiratory infections we can be avoided with the help of only walking, running or jogging. It directly helps to improve the capacity or ability of your lungs, expansion of your lungs. And there are I already told you that there are so many benefits of walking, running or jogging, but the most important 12th, last but not least in our video is benefit is of when we talk, when we walk or run or jog, there is a positivity in our mind. Our mind helps to improve the positive thinkings. It helps to improve our quality of life. Most of the times we says that all the things which are when we are going, when we are walking, then all the things come automatically. And our life is also not only to stay at one place, life is also to keep away. We most of the time says that show must go on, like that the life is also must be go on. And those are having no times. Most of the times people says that I don't have time. The students or office workers, all those are having no times. I would like to advise them that the students can be make their audio clips, and they can be here at the time of walking. Office workers also attend their phone calls at the time of walking. But walking is very essential. Those persons are having sitting business. After 1 or 2 hours they have to move from here to there. One must thing is to keep mind that when you walk, you always keep your straight legs straight, chest upwards, and don't go through 1 minute or 2 to 3 minimum 30 minutes you have to walk. If you stop, then again walk, then again stop, that might be not be beneficial for you. So if once you talk, you should be go up to 30 minutes. I hope you like this video. So please, if you like, subscribe it, like it, and start moving or talking from the today, not from today, but just now you can start it. I always wish you best luck to all of you, and then goodbye.